Rashmika wore this traditional eye look in one of her pictures and I really wanted to recreate it. So if you're interested, let's get to today's video. As you can see in this picture, Rashmika's brows are pretty filled in and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown to fill in my brows. Apply feather-like strokes so that the brow doesn't look too full or too heavy. This could potentially bring your face down. Go ahead and blend that all in. To hold it in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. Use any liquid concealer that you have and with a flat brush, let's go out and carve out the brow even more. Blend that into the eyelid. You can also use a sponge for this step. Shade Morgan, which is a salmon-like color, use any fluffy brush and apply that from the outer corner, going into the crease. Do that on the bottom lash line too. Back in with the shade Morgan, let's build up the color even more. With the shade Clove and any crease brush that you have, let's start applying this on the outer corner of the eye. Use dabbing motions to get maximum pigment. And now with the Spectrum B06 brush, blend that into the skin tone. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. With the shade Clove and the Spectrum A12 brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. And with the shade Morgan and the Colourpop E9 brush, apply that onto the eyelid. If you're brown skin, you might need to pack on a bit more color. And with the shade Morning, blend that out into the previous shade. Back into this shade Clove. Let's apply that on the outer corner of the eye to make it slightly more smoky. Your eye should look something like this. Now with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil in the shade Very Vanta, let's apply this closely to the upper lash line. Don't worry too much about precision here because we're going to smoke it out eventually. With the Nakia Joy Cosmetics E10 brush, let's go and smoke that out slowly. Avoid applying too much pressure because you could hurt the eye. Build up the eyeliner again. And now go ahead and smoke it all out. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. And now with any black eyeshadow, pack it on the Creamy Kohl pencil. This will set it in place. With the Refer 03 brush and going in with a black shadow, let's pull out a slight wing. Do not worry about precision here, we'll be fixing all of that soon. With a clean brush and the shade Morgan, apply that to the center of the lid. Now with the black eyeshadow, apply that to the bottom lash line. And back in with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil, tightline the upper lash line. And apply that on your waterline too. Now go ahead and take your concealer, and with any flat brush, let's clean up any excess eyeshadow that might be there. Blend it into the skin. You can use a sponge too. Go ahead and curl your lashes. And apply a nice lengthening and volumizing mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. It's one of my favorites. And there you go guys, this is Rashmika's traditional eye look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.